Simplify your motorcycle maintenance with the Pyle motorcycle jack with dolly, designed to lift cruisers, sport bikes, and dirt bikes off the ground safely and efficiently. This versatile bike lift allows you to elevate your motorcycle using a wrench or air tool, providing easy access for tire changes, chain adjustments, cleaning, and other maintenance tasks. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the service floor rack is built to support most motorcycles while ensuring long-lasting durability. A black powder coat finish protects against wear and corrosion, and the platform features a 1/4 inch thick rubber mat to grip and stabilize the bike, preventing slippage during lifting. The scissor flat jack design offers a wide 9x14.6 workstation size and a maximum loading capacity of 1,100 pounds, accommodating the majority of motorcycles on the market. The included dolly tray adds mobility, allowing you to transition the lifted bike from one area to another with ease. Equipped with 4 steel casters, the dolly requires minimal assembly and enhances the overall functionality of the lift. Riders appreciate the sturdy construction and stability, noting that it easily handles heavy bikes, including large models like a 700 pounds Harley, while making maintenance tasks simpler and safer. Whether performing routine upkeep or more detailed repairs, this Pyle motorcycle jack with dolly offers a reliable, professional-grade solution for home garages or workshops. Click the link in the video description to check the current price and order your motorcycle lift today, and subscribe to the channel to explore more essential tools and motorcycle accessories.